Hello. In this video, we will take a look at how do we filter the content from the CSV file. Now, this is the user CSV file that we'll be using. We have the index, user ID, first name, last name, gender, email, date of birth, job title, salary, and status. We have written already one PowerShell that imports this users.csv, and then we are printing it in the console as a format table. Now, let's say if you would like to get only the users who are active, who are having the active status. So essentially we would like to filter on the status that are having the value as active. So how do we get that done in PowerShell? So after this pipeline characters, right, you would like to add a where clause. You will say where object. So this is how we will start the where condition, opening bracket, closing bracket, and come inside the bracket. You will say $_ dot, and then the name of the field, which is status, hyphen equals to, and then in the quotation active. All right, so let's go ahead and hit run. And now as you can see, we only have the records which are having the status as active. All right, now you can also go for the numeric or the number fields. So for an example, if you would like to find out the records or filter the records that are having a salary more than 50,000 or more than 45,000, you can say $_ dot salary is greater than, and then you just put in the number that you would like. So if you hit run, you're gonna get the filtered records where the users are having salary more than 45,000, right? Now there is a possibility that you might also would like to combine two conditions here. So let us first just temporarily remove this to get the all data back, and then let us see that the salary is greater than 45,000, or maybe even let's say 25,000, and let's see, we got some results back, and then we have one record as inactive, right? So one of the user status is inactive. So you only would like to get the status active, the users who are active, as well as the salary greater than 25,000. So how do you do that? So you would say hyphen and then again you would put the next field, which is the status in our case, and equals to active. All right, so let's go ahead and hit enter, and then as you can see, we now no longer have the inactive record, as well as all the salary that are greater than 25,000 are displayed. Now there is one point that I would like to highlight. So let's go ahead and print the number of records that is there in the users table or users variable rather, right? So what should be the output, right? Do we expect 5 because that's what we are filtering? Let's hit run, and you would know that now this users count is actually 10. And why is that? So actually users data is just getting filtered and displayed on this console. The users variable actually holds the actual data which is coming in from the CSV, and there are 10 records in the CSV file. So the length, the count of this users is really 10. Now if you just let's say cut this and put it here, so what this is now doing is it's importing, and at the same time it is filtering the content and then storing it into the users variable. So now if you hit run, you will see now the users count is 5. So now your users variable actually holds only 5 records and not 10 records. So just wanted to explain the simple difference. I hope you like this simple tutorial of the filter, and I thank you for watching the video.